So as you can see, guys, a 1.5 was a win, clearly a beautiful win. So what's popping, guys? It's your boy XO, and in this video I'll be showing you guys the best MACD trading strategy that you can use to make money day trading in the forex market. So I will show you guys a really cool secret strategy that no one has actually showed you guys here on YouTube. It's something I discovered myself, and let's just check it out. Like, guys, once you watch this video, I want you guys to test it out yourself and see if it's a good and profitable intraday trading strategy that you can use. So, and also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn the bell icon, and smash the like button because it's free and it helps me and the channel enjoy this video. So guys, first and first, you want to put in the 200 EMA on your chart, which is this blue line you can see on my chart at this point. As you can see, this blue line right here is the 200 EMA line. EMA means exponential moving average line. So that will be one of the indicators we'll be using, and the next one will be the MACD, which stands for moving average, convergence, divergence. Alright guys, so this MACD trading strategy is really easy and simple if you add in some more confluences to make it even better. Alright, so let me show you guys how to add in some more confluences to make the MACD trading strategy even more profitable. So the first thing first is we want to see if the price is in a range or is it's trending. We want to take a trade when the market is trending, not in a range. So at this point, you can see that the market is clearly not ranging, it's in a trend because it's clearly above the 200 exponential moving average line. So that's the main reason why I said we needed this 200 EMA so we know in which direction are we going to be placing our trades. Are we going to be on the buying side or are we going to be on the selling side? The only way to figure that out is using the EMA line. Alright, so when it comes to the MACD line, we want to see the MACD line cross below the horizontal line. Alright, we want to see it cross below this zero horizontal line for a buy. If this cross should happen above this point, like if the cross should happen just up here, then that is not a good setup. I want to see it cross just below this point and want to see price above the 200 EMA line. I'm so sorry guys for my voice, I'm having sore throat, so please bear with me guys. So you're probably wondering, how do you set your stops and how do you set your targets? So guys, basically the way I set my stops and target is I use the ATR value. I'll show you guys a little secret that you can use to add in some more confluences to make this trade a highly probable trading setup. Alright, so that thing is really easy. Alright, all we want to see is number one, the MACD cross below the horizontal line, and I want to see price above the 200 EMA line. Above or below, guys, we do not want to see the EMA line in between the price. It means the price is ranging, so we want to see it, like you can see the price is clearly above the 200 EMA line. So we see the cross and the price is above the 200 EMA line. So now guys, look at this. What can you see at this point? Just at this point, I see a high, like I see a market structure high at this point, and then there is a retest. All right, so this basically means there's a break and retest. You can actually use a Fibonacci tool at this point, but I will not be using that because that's not the essence of this video. So you can just basically use a break and retest of market structure plus a cross in the MACD line in combination with an entry signal, which is, you guys already know that I like to use an engulfing candlestick as my entry signal. So as you can see, an engulfing candlestick, but the price, the MACD didn't cross before, like it's crossed at this point, so it's crossed just after the engulfing candlestick. So I might not have gotten in on this trade at this engulfing candlestick, but seeing the break, retest, and then engulfing candlestick, and the market went a little bit up. So that's a good sign that the market is going to go in an uptrend. So I'll use my ATR 2x ATR value, which is 31. So 31 times 2 is 62. So I'm looking to take a 62 pip stop for this trade for a buy, because we're clearly above the 200 exponential moving average line. So 62, and you guys clearly know that I like to take a 1.5 on all of my trades. So let's do that. So as you can see, guys, a 1.5 was a win, clearly a beautiful win. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, because this video is actually something like, this is a strategy that I've not seen anyone teach on YouTube. So I guess maybe I haven't seen this, maybe someone has done it before, but I doubt, because I just came up with this strategy. So you can see a break and retest and an engulfing candlestick, but we got in later at this point right there. But we still want to trade the 1 to 1.5, and I said that you want to see the cross. Like I said, the cross must happen below the 0 horizontal line. If this cross should happen above this point, it's no longer valid. So we want to see it cross just below this line to make it a valid setup. So guys, this was just a quick video of me showing you guys how to use the MACD line in combination with a break and retest and an engulfing candlestick, just so you can get even more high probable setup in taking the trade. And you can basically, like, guys, go and backtest this strategy. It actually works. Surprisingly, it does work, because if you take a trade for a 1 to 1.5 and you're able to win 6 times out of 10 and you lose 4, you're gonna make some serious amount of money by the end of the month. So it works on all time frame. As you can see, I'm using a 5-minute time frame. You can use a 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour. It all depends on which time frame you want to use. So all right, guys, that's it for this video. So if you want to join me and trade every single day for free, guys, click the link in the description, guys, to join my free Telegram group. It's absolutely free. You get free live signals, free live trading ideas, and we get to meet and link up even better. So click the link in the description to join the free Telegram group right now. And yeah, that's it. If you guys find value in this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. And don't forget to share this video. And it's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.